How to add a payment method on Uber application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily add a payment method on Uber app. So first thing first, just head over to your Uber application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you're inside here, select the account section or account option from the bottom of your navigation bar. That is under my bottom right corner. So simply select it. And once you're inside here you should see at the top there are three different options. So simply select the wallet option. And once you select the wallet option, as you can see, currently I don't have any balance because I haven't any set it up any of the payment method. So to select or add a payment method, you can just tap on this add payment method option over here. So there are two ways you can add a payment method, that is for your Uber application. So you can either go for your credit or debit card, or you can also actually use the gift card, which has been made available by the Uber application itself. So you just have to enter your gift code and you can easily save that gift card as your payment method. So make sure you have enough balance if you are using gift card and it should work. And to add or credit card or debit card, just tap on the first link over here and simply enter your card number, your expiry date, your CVV number, your card currency, as well as your nickname, even that. And once you do all of that, just follow the on-screen instruction and just click on save, and you should be able to save the new payment method on your Uber application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you on the next one.